Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today with the December Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. I know it's the first week of January, but this is a great box. It's too good to miss, and I've got a lot of fun details about the products inside the box. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, before I open the box, I just want to let you know I'm going to make an announcement at the end of today's video. So be sure to stay tuned all the way to the end so that you can find out about something fun that will be happening here soon on the channel. Okay, I'm going to open up the December box, and I did figure this one out. I probably should keep track how many I figure out and how many I don't, but Fat Quarter Shop sometimes shares a little sneak peek. They don't really give anything away, but sometimes just from the colors that they share, I can tell what the fabric collection is going to be if it's a Moda collection that I'm familiar with. And this one is a Moda collection, and it is the Love Note collection by Vanessa Goertzen of Lella Boutique. And we're going to look at the fabric first because it is just gorgeous, just really beautiful. I love that this collection says Valentine's without saying Valentine's. So if you're not a Valentine's kind of person, you can still make projects with this collection to use during that season, and yet it's also can be used year-round. Just really beautiful pinks, greens, blues. The roses are super cute. And she's got a really nice mix and a good variety of prints. I really, really do love this collection. And I'm not super into Valentine's other than our Sincerely Yours collection, which I love, but I really do like this collection. And I wanted to show you that it actually does coordinate with one of Vanessa's older collections. In case you have some of that laying around, you could actually use them together. And this is actually quite a lot of fabric. It is 12 fat eighths, and that is quite a lot of fabric. I've actually got some fat eighth patterns that use just fat eighths. And in fact, I think we'll link those in the description below, because if you've gotten the box and you're looking for a pattern to make that uses 12 fat eighths, this would be a terrific group of fabrics to use for those patterns. And one of them is actually a heart pattern that I have called Lovely. So we'll link all those patterns that I have that use 12 fat eighths in the description below for you. Okay, but back to Vanessa's fabric. This is actually her Country Rose collection. And you can tell that the blues are really, they're not the same. This is a little bit dustier, but they're similar. The pinks are just spot on though. The pinks, the light pinks are super spot on. And you know, this one with the gingham, I mean, they just go together beautifully. And there are some lighter taupes here, and it looks like with Love Notes, she went kind of with a darker taupe background, but they still coordinate really beautifully. So if you have any of the Country Rose collection sitting around at home, it's just a great way to kind of add an extra element to your quilts, just to add that, you know, touch of fabrics from another collection with something that's new. I know I'll be using both of these together when I sew with them. Okay, let's finish looking at the box because there are some really great things in the box. First of all, there are 2 spools of Presentia thread, and they're both really gorgeous colors, the light green and the kind of light teal. Really beautiful Presentia thread is a very good brand of thread. I was excited to find some magic pins included. I love magic pins, and they've got 2 kinds. They've got a new flathead 2-inch pin. So this has a little bit different top than I have on. In fact, I'm just going to open it up because I'll be using these before the end of the week. Let's just show you the flathead pin. It's a really, I've always liked the grips on the magic pins, but this flathead pin is even easier to grip. So really like that, and it's a 2-inch, and it's a fine, it just glides right into the fabric. And then they also have a fork pin with a flathead top. So a lot of people like to use these fork pins when they are pinning the place where seam allowances nest. It seems that by putting a fork head pin right there, you can keep those seams from adjusting so that nothing moves while you're sewing. And really like the handle or the top on this as well, just another flat for the fork pin. So again, magic pins, these are the pins that are my favorite, and it seems like they're constantly coming out with a few new varieties. And so this is great because you can test out these pins. You can also buy them all separately, but it's nice to get this little sampler package in the Sew Sampler box. Okay, and pressed flowers block pattern. This is block 9, so we're getting closer to the end of this free pattern sew along. And you can also purchase these online separately in paper or PDF. There is always a pattern included in the box that is just exclusive to the box, and this week it's the Dolce quilt pattern that uses Vanessa's fabric, so you can only get this pattern if you buy the box. A couple more things in this box that I absolutely loved. First is triangle paper for flying geese. I hadn't really thought about this before. I personally use rulers for my flying geese, and I oversize my flying geese and I trim them down, but I know some people just really struggle with that too. And so these are papers, so you can do foundation paper piecing to make your flying geese. And it's a whole pack, and they are 1.5 inch by 3 inch. I'm kind of guessing that they might be the size that works with this pattern. A lot of times they'll do that. I'm not sure about that. But a whole package, and they have other sizes available too in these nice little notepads. And what is really interesting too is if you just want to use this for your scraps, they have some different ideas of flying geese blocks right at the front, so you could actually make a scrap quilt using your scraps and these little notepads. It'd be a great project to take on a retreat. Okay, and last but not least, I absolutely love this ruler. And why? This is a 2.5 inch by 4.5 inch Creative Grids ruler. I love Creative Grids rulers. I've never had a 2.5 by 4.5, but this is going to be so nice. This is such a common size that we use in all of our quilts that it's just going to be great to be able to just put this ruler on top of something, and especially if it is a 2.5 by 4.5 flying geese or something that I've pieced and need it to be this size, it is going to be really nice to have this size ruler. I can't wait to see, honestly, how much I use it. I did also notice that they've got it marked for flying geese, so if you made a flying geese unit that was 2.5 inches by 4.5 inches unfinished, you could put this ruler right on top of it, and you could see, how your seam allowance is and make sure that it's the right size. I just really feel like this is going to be one of those rulers that I use a lot. Okay, and that's it for the December Sew Sampler box, and a really great box. I'll link all the products that are still available, and like I mentioned, I'll link those quilts that I have that use 12 fat 8s. Okay, so that's everything included in the December Sew Sampler box. Remember, you can purchase these Sew Sampler boxes a la carte, that is without having a subscription. When they have extra boxes, they put them on their website, and so I'll always put a link to those a la carte boxes when they're available. And as I mentioned earlier, there are just some really great products in this month's box, so if you're not subscribed, you might want to go get a couple of these things just to have in your sewing room. Okay, and one more thing that I wanted to be sure and mention is for you to stay tuned this Saturday morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, that's 7 a.m. Pacific. We are going to be participating in a Saturday social YouTube series with some of our friends from Moda Fabrics. Once again, this was organized by Corey Yoder, and I will be participating. Joanna Figueroa of Fig Tree and Company, Robin Pickens, and Heather Briggs from My Sew Quilty Life will also be participating, and we're also going to be joined by our friends at Moda Fabrics. So you will have 6 different videos that you'll be able to go watch on Saturday morning. They'll all post at the same time, and we are all going to be talking about Moda Blockheads. The second round of Moda Blockheads 5 just started yesterday, and I was actually the one to share the first block in that round. And so we just want to get everyone excited. This series of blocks is going to be going on through July with a new free block pattern in 2 different sizes every week. And so we hope you'll enjoy that Saturday social event. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and share it with a friend. Thanks so much for stopping by.